Hello YouTube, TrickyHunter here. Been playing on Call of Duty for a while, been upgrading some stuff, and decided I need to get rid of this wired headset that kind of cuts in and out. And I'm gonna go with the Virtuoso RGB wireless. If I can get it out of the box. The packaging is pretty cool. It's got little raised decals on here. It feels kind of cool. And there it goes. Nice shiny white headset. On the floor. There they go. That's not the last time that's going to happen. All right. I'm gonna have to take my hat off. Don't mind the hair. Does not say which is the front and which is the back. But there is a little thing right here for the mic, so I'm assuming it goes right here. Childproof box. There we go. There's a charging cord, a dongle for the computer, and here's the mic. And the mic plugs in here somewhere. There it goes. And it's adjustable. It adjusts pretty good, actually. It adjusts really easy. Okay, I've only had them on for a minute. They feel pretty comfortable. They're not super heavy, but they feel like there's enough there that it doesn't feel like it's just gonna fall off my head. And like I said, this adjusts actually really easy. I mean, minimal effort here. I don't know how it'll be long term because, you know, this is the first time I put them on. This right here is a little bit shallow. I can feel it touching the top of my ear. I don't know if that's going to get irritating. Hopefully not, because it's pretty comfortable to have on my head. They are pretty flexible. This is, I'm assuming, aluminum, and they'll turn either way, so I can put them down either way. If I want to listen to music, I can turn them this way. Movement feels pretty smooth. So now we just need to hook them up to the computer and see how it sounds. All right, got the headset on, got it hooked up to IQ. I did have to go in and link it. Pair it. I had to pair it. That's the correct word. I adjusted. There's different options on there to have different sound settings, or you can adjust the equalizer yourself. It sounds pretty good. It's going to take some getting used to, but I can use this dial right here and turn up my system sounds. I've already got it to where my game is not as high as the chat. So when I turn that up, it just stays like if I were to do it on my keyboard or on my screen. But the sound is really good. I got the rainbow turned on because, you know, it matches the rainbow on the rest of my computer, the rest of my build. And then there is a button right here that mutes the mic and unmutes the mic, and it's green, and it's kind of there in your peripheral so you can see it. It helps remind you, hey, your mic is off. Also, I've got the what was that second term for the second sound where you hear yourself?
Side tone.
The side tones. I've got the side tones to where I can hear myself. So I know that if I go like this, I actually can't hear myself in my headset. So that's another reminder that I don't have it on. But it sounds pretty good. We've got a buddy that is on a game right now, and I'm hearing him talk. He sounds pretty good. The sound coming through is pretty good. When it's on the lower sound or the lower end of the volume, it does sound a little bit funny. Once you turn it up and it's a little bit higher on the volume, it sounds just like the other wired headset that I had. But no, I'm kind of excited about the new headset, and it'll be nice when I charge it all the way and I can get this cord out of the way, and then I can get up and I can walk in the other room, and I won't have to worry about 15 feet of cord getting tangled up on, or taking my headset off and hanging it up, or it getting in the way or anything like that. So we'll see how it goes. I did get the stand that goes with it. It's the ST100. Nice, pretty packaging, but I dropped it, so it's got a little dent right here. I'm hoping it's okay, because, you know, I'm a klutz. So I got this stand to go with it. It was half off with the white headset. It's gonna take me a second to figure out how to get into it, because I don't do boxes. So it's just the stand. I don't remember exactly what's cool about it, but it was half off, so. But it gives me somewhere to, hang up my headset, because before I would have the headset plugged in right here and I would just hang the headset there. And that's probably not good on your USB. I don't think you're supposed to do that, but I did. But it's the premium headset stand with 7.1 surround sound. It's got the RGB in it, so the bottom of this lights up, and there is a USB right there, so I can plug my headset into it to charge it, instead of having it plugged in up there. And then it gives me somewhere to put my headset without having to rest it on the USB port. And it is nice and heavy and solid. Feels like it's, I don't know, it's metal of some kind. I couldn't tell you what kind, and I'm not even gonna try, because I'm not smart with this computer stuff. But it's gonna go right here next to my lamp, and then I can just go like this. Yes, my messy desk that is a gaming desk and an everyday office type desk. It's very much overkill for an office desk, but it works because I can play Call of Duty on it. All right, so if you want to see more content like this, then like and subscribe. We'll try and keep this going. I play Call of Duty with Backwoods Messery and Hammered Spit. As I spit while I say that, go and check out their channels. We're gonna try and get some build videos up. We got a build video for my computer on Backwoods Messery channel. Go check that out. I can also share it to my page. But yeah, like and subscribe. If you don't like it, then keep moving. Thanks for watching. If you do like it, subscribe, you know, shoot me a message, whatever. Trying to get a webcam so that I can hopefully record some of the Call of Duty that I played, because every once in a while I have some really good games. Most of the time I'm an average or below average player, but every once in a while I catch a really good, great game. But yeah, like the channel, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.